Hello, my fellow foodies. So today we are making this yummy-licious biryani. Yes, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my onions in a hot cooking oil, finely chopped onions. Then I'm going to cook them until they turn like golden brown in color. Then I'll put them aside in a plate with a paper towel or anything. Just make sure you drain the oil from the onions. So I prefer you put them in a plate with a paper towel. In another pot, I'm going to add some cooking oil, then add my ginger and garlic paste. Then I'll add some pilau masala and cumin seed. I'm going to stir this before I go ahead and add my boiled my boiled beef cubes. Then I'm going to stir this well. Then I'll go in with my seasoning cubes and add it to the beef. You can see how my beef is already starting to turn color. Then this is when I'll go in with my tomato and I'll add some tomato and some green bell pepper. Then I'm going to stir this again. Then I'll add in some cumin powder and some garam masala. Then I'm going to stir this again. And then I'll add some tomato paste. So I'm going to stir this and then I'm going to let it cook for some time. And on the other side, I had put some water and cooking oil, and then I'm going to add some cinnamon stick and add rice to it. You can see by now my beef is cooked and my tomatoes and the bell pepper, my seasoning, they are all cooked. This is when I'll go in and I'll add some yogurt, plain yogurt. If you have mala, you can use it. So whatever you have in your kitchen, mala or yogurt. Then I'm going to mix this well and then I'll let it simmer for some time before I come in to eat again. I'll add some chili flakes and again some lemon juice. Yes, let it simmer for at least 5 minutes before now I come in and add my onions. You remember the onions that we started like with? Yes, I'll come in and add the onions. Then I'm going to mix this. I won't let it stay in the pot now, in the stove now for a long time. I'll just mix it, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll just get it out of the stove. Then I'll come in with turmeric and some cooking oil. So I'm going to mix turmeric and cooking oil, and this one I'm going to spread it all over my rice. Just when your rice is almost drying, I go in with the turmeric and the cooking oil, then I just spread it all over the rice, and then I'll cover it again and let it dry. My biryani stew is ready, guys, and you don't want to feel the aroma. It just smells good and it looks good. So yeah, my rice is ready to by now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my rice like really well so that this color, the turmeric color, can spread. Some will look like yellowish and some will look like whitish, and my food is ready, guys. This food slap. Easy to make, not expensive ingredients, just what you have in your kitchen shelves.